sell in wholesales. So I'm going to go and check the market out and buy some tomatoes for the home. Um, so come with me. Let's see the biggest tomato market in Thessaloniki. It's not just tomato, vegetable market. So they sell everything vegetable. So let's go there. Oh, see a lot of cars, honestly. And the time we came is wrong. The time I came here is very wrong. I was supposed to have come 9 o'clock, so I couldn't buy anything. So I'm going to church today. I sought some and I paid for this and asked somebody that works here to help me bring it home. So that is what is going to happen. So when he brings it home, I will show you guys what we are able to get. Market. I was not able to vlog during the market. You saw the whole thing, but I was not able to vlog how I was buying it. So this what I got. Tomato. I got a kilo for 4 cents, 40 cents. So 40 cents, and I got this for €1, 20 cents per kilo. So everything cost 29 euros. 29 euros. So now we are back to the business of uh, blending, rinsing, blending, and boiling. So that is what we're going to be doing right away. So let's get into it. God bless. So now I'm rinsing. This tomato has no water in. It's so strong. This is good tomato for your stew. It has no water in. Stop. So the next thing we are going to be doing is I'm going to be rinsing with vinegar. It's important in case there is anything that is not pleasant, any crawling things in. I'm just going to massage it with vinegar and now rinse off my vinegar before blending. So I'll be leaving it for a minute or two. So I'm doing the bell pepper now. I'm rinsing the bell pepper. Here is it. It's blended. See the first pot and see the second pot. So we are ready for cooking and cooking and cooking and cooking. So I was able to get 8 of 2.5 liters out of it. So see everything I'm able to get out of that 25 euro.